Everyone, Heinnie Haynes chauffeur scale from Quartermaster, and ourselves today we've got our Heinnie Quartermaster collaboration knife. Right, there's two of them there, I'll show you them, we'll come to them in a minute. But you may have seen in our catalogue the original design, the original photo. This actually is the first prototype of it, and we'll be able to see some of the changes when we see the final production now. Sizes are the same and materials are the same. So I can quickly go through that with you. Overall length, bearing in mind it is angled, if we measure it that way we're looking at 17.5 with a 7.5 blade and just over 7 cutting face on there as well. On the back spine we're looking at 3mm thick, and it is S35VN premium steel. We've got titanium scale and pocket clip, and then G10 on the other side. Nice friction folder, as you can see, extended tang on the top, hook your finger around the choil, nice aggressive jimping on the back to hold it so that's not going anywhere. Like I say, that was the first prototype, where you can see we've got the small anodized blue clip and a small Union Jack on the back. So obviously, speaking with Gerard from Quartermaster, a few changes has been made for it, and here we go. This is the final production model now. This is our one, unfortunately, so you can't have number one because they are limited to 250 pieces with the flag on and 50 without the flag. Right, so there we go. Major differences we'll see on the back. Hopefully it'll make out. We've got laser etching of a cross section of the Union Jack going all the way across it now, across your pocket clip and across your pivot as well. We've got your nice, you probably see what I was doing then, let's turn that round, sorry. We've got a blade lock on there, so when it's closed it's not going anywhere. Slide that down and there we go, out comes the blade. It is on bearings, so it is really slick and really smooth. I say you can just, it's trying a bit tricky to see if you can see it or not, the cross section of the Union Jack, so which goes right across that whole stone washed titanium scale now, which looks really nice. And then your blade is polished stone wash on there as well. Got the Quartermaster logo, individual number, and then there we go, we've got our famous little H on there. There we go. He has made 50 without the flag. So I'll show you that one. I'll show you another unique feature now from the prototype as well. So there we go. There's one without the Union Jack laser engraved on the back. You've just got your same pocket clip, stone washed titanium with that titanium scale on there. I said individually numbered. Can't have this one unfortunately as well because it's 300, and our logo. But a nice feature of them comes with a very innocent looking little split pin, and what that does when your blade is open, as you can see, we've got a hole in the end of the tang, and we've got a corresponding hole in your G10 scale, so your pin can fit through and actually prevents it from folding up on you, and still doesn't get in the way of your fingers because your fingers can go either side of it, and you can still get a nice grip, safe in the knowledge that that blade is not going to fold down on you at all. And then simply pull that out. I said absolutely super smooth running on the bearings, they really are. The same on the other ones as well. Open them up, pop your pin through, goes all the way through your two scales, as you can see, prevents the blade folding down as well. So you've got your jimping on your back there, so with that pin in position you can get your thumb a lot higher up on that blade and push down on it a lot harder, safe in the knowledge that it's not going to fold up anywhere at all. Even without the pin, as a normal friction folder. You've got jimping on the bottom part there, so it feels nice and safe, and even right up on the top. That's not going anywhere because your thumb and obviously your finger are wrapped round holding that tank in place. But absolutely, these are all handmade, to be perfectly honest with you, and the fit and finish on them is absolutely superb. I said, through the stone washing on your titanium, to the milling on your G10, even to the fact that your spacers, you can remove the pocket clip and swap it over. It's rebated out on both sides, so it'll sit nice and flush on there. And the quality of the camera's probably not doing it justice, but the quality of that laser etching on there, going right across, haven't got any of the screws or the fixtures blocking that whole process. You've got it all in one piece, so you can see the marking all in one. Superbly made, as I've said, very ingenious, nice little safety lock, friction folder, UK friendly, additional leather safety lock pin. From Quartermaster, that is our Heinnie Haynes and Quartermaster collaboration friction folder.